Discover this stunning 3-bed, 3-bath black Barndominium on nearly 9 acres of picturesque land. With an open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, and natural light, this home is a true masterpiece. The luxurious primary suite offers a retreat like atmosphere, complete with a spa like bathroom and large walk in closet. Enjoy stunning views from the 800 square feet covered front porch and take advantage of the separate two-car parking area. This unique property offers the perfect blend of modern design and country living. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.